Ann Curtis with her wax figure at Madame Tussauds, Hong Kong. Narito ating panoorin ang kabuuan ng video. Napakagaling naman, looks alike talaga si Ann Curtis at saka ang kanyang wax figure. Narito ang kanyang mga ganap. Smart at talented ang nag-iisang diyosa ng OFW, Miss Ann Curtis Smith.
We all understood the assignment. Here we go, all eyes on stage as we officially unveil the wax figure of the multimedia superstar, Ann Curtis.
You're the best, Ann Curtis. Congratulations sa mga bago mong achievements.
Guys, count it down with me. In 3, 2, 1!
Napakabait itong si Ann Curtis. Nakikihalubilo pa ito ng kanyang mga fans at supporters.
The resemblance is uncanny. It looks exactly like you. Okay, let's take a group photo first. Diba?
Nagpicture taking naman ang mga staffs kasama sina Ann Curtis at ang kanyang wax figure.
Okay, let's take a group photo first. Diba? Ngayon lang siya tumahimik ng ganyan, guys. Picture muna.
Nakakatuwa naman ang wax figure ni Ann Curtis. Kuhang-kuha talaga ang itsura ni Ann. Deserving naman talaga si Ann Curtis na magkaroon ng ganitong achievements.
Okay, there you have it. Answer. I'm able to...
Humahakot din si Ann Curtis Smith ng maraming biyaya ngayong taong 2024.
Let others know, all Filipinos know, to continue to pursue their biggest dreams, because if you do dream big, they can happen with hard work and perseverance. So,
Congratulations! And guys,
Bakas naman sa mukha ni Ann ang kanyang kasiyahan sa kanyang bagong achievements.
you know, I'm just so happy and honored and grateful to all of my fans, my followers, my family in the industry who have been part of my career.
Pinasasalamatan naman ni Ann Curtis ang kanyang pamilya, followers at ang kanyang mga fans at supporters.
This is truly a core memory made for me today. I'm so happy to share it with all of you. So here's to dreaming big and making those dreams come true. Absolutely.
Dagdag pa ni Ann, napakasaya ito dahil making her dreams come true.
Hi Toddler, it's Ann Curtis, and I'm so happy to introduce to you my wax figure from Madame Tussauds, Hong Kong.
So proud naman si Ann sa kanyang napakagandang wax figure.
I wanted something that would be timeless and elegant, which really speaks with how I like to personally dress. So we went with something that I felt was
Napakatalino ni Ann. Napaka-articulate itong magsalita.
iconic moment for me. It was my first comeback into the fashion industry when I did a trip with my Tiffany family. That's right. And that's where we decided to go with this look.
Ann Curtis ang nag-iisang artista na hindi nalalaos mula noon
In
hanggang
my
ngayon.
27 years in the industry, I felt that a microphone has been such a powerful tool, and whether it be hosting,
Mas lalo naman ngayong dumadami ang mga fans at supporters ni Ann Curtis.
giving a speech as a UNICEF ambassador, doing my spiels as a TV host on Showtime, or even doing
Kahit kailan, kahit saan, todo support pa rin ang mga fans ni Ann Curtis.
concerts in the Araneta Coliseum. It has been such a powerful tool for me, so I felt like this really should be part of my wax figure.
Dahil sa katalinuhan at kabaitan ni Ann, mahal na mahal ito ng netizens. Kahit saan si Ann nakikita ng kanyang mga fans at supporters, talagang bumabati ito. Dahil sa kabaitan at totoong tao si Ann, talagang pinagpala ito ng ating Panginoon. Masayang-masaya naman ang lahat na nagpa-picture kasama si Ann at ang kanyang wax figure. Ang galing naman ng kanyang wax figure. Parang twin talaga sila ni Ann. Napakaganda naman ni Ann, kahit anong suot, bagay na bagay ito sa kanya.